Hello everyone, and welcome to break 3740 for the 2020 Panini XR football card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, November 2nd, 2020, and it is 11:16 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:16 p.m. Central Time, and 8:16 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Dulai 1 spot, Hess 1, Kylesta 1, E-Rock 1, D Carry 1, Solo 1, Shady 2, Detour 1, Pete 1, Tito 1, Doer 1, Lint 1, Paw 3, Keylock 5, Shady 2, Joe 1, What It Do Baby with 1, MJ 1, Cast 1, Brad 1, Ron 2, G-Bar 2 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. July on top, G-Bar on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Keylock on top, Kylesta on the bottom. Again, every card will ship. Keylock, you have the Cardinals, has Falcons, D Carry Ravens, G-Bar Bills, Paw Panthers, MJ Bears, Shady Bengals, Paw Browns, Ron with the Cowboys, wants some Lint Broncos, Detour with the Lions, Joe Packers, Ron Texans, Doer Colts, E-Rock Jaguars, What It Do Baby with the Chiefs, Keylock Raiders, Chargers, Shady Rams, and Dolphins, Kess Vikings, Shady Patriots, Keylock Saints, Paw Giants, Tito Jets, Solo Eagles, Keylock Steelers, Brad with the 49ers, Pete with the Seahawks, Dulai with the Buccaneers, G-Bar Titans, and last but not least, Kylesta with Washington. All right, good luck, everybody. And whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Pack 1, Pack 2, empty box. So we'll go through our packs. And then go through and highlight our winners. Okay, here we go. Start with Christian McCaffrey, Carolina Panthers. We have Josh Allen in the Buffalo Bills. Marlon Davidson, a rookie, 83 out of 199, Atlanta Falcons. Nick Chubb, Cleveland Browns, 27 out of 75. Patrick Mahomes, the second, 108 out of 149, X Factor. Kansas City Chiefs. We have Henry Ruggs, the third, rookie swatch auto. Very nice for the Raiders. The Oakland Raiders. Or the Las Vegas Raiders, excuse me. And then we'll have a rookie, Michael Pittman Jr., Indianapolis Colts. Alright, that was pack 1. Let's see what pack 2 has for us. Start with Aaron Rodgers and the Green Bay Packers. Here we go. Zach Ertz, Philadelphia Eagles. Jake Fromm, 28 out of 249, rookie Bills. Denver Broncos, Melvin Gordon III, 122 out of 249. We have a rookie materials, Green Bay Packers, 9 out of 10, A.J. Dillon. Very nice. And then after AJ, we have Isaiah Coulter, Houston Texans, 130 out of 199, rookie auto. And then last but not least, we have Jalen Johnson, Chicago Bears, rookie. All right, sweet. Let's go back through and see who's getting what. All right, Chicago Bears going to MJ. Congrats, MJ. Houston Texans. Ron Bat. Congrats. Melvin Gordon III. Denver Broncos going to Want Some Lint. Congrats. Jake Fromm, Buffalo Bills. G. Barth. Congrats. Eagles. Philadelphia Eagles going to Solo Steck. Congrats. Two for the Green Bay Packers, A.J. Dillon and Aaron Rodgers. Dillon out of 10. Green Bay Packers. Going to Jogar, 205028. Congrats. Colts. Doer 38. Congrats. Mahomes. What it do, baby? Congrats. Browns, Nick Chubb. Paul YW-69. Congrats. We have the Falcons. Hess ILV _45. Congrats. Got the Bills again. We got both quarterbacks for the Bills. G. Barth, congrats. Christian McCaffrey, Carolina Panthers. Paul YW-69, and then last but not least, we have the Las Vegas Raiders, Henry Ruggs, the third rookie swatch auto, and that is 63 out of 75. Key lock kicks, congrats, and guys, that was break 3740 for the 2020 Panini XR football card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And up next, we have the 2020 Gold Rush Gem Mint Baseball Card Pack Division Break. Thanks.